The words keep coming to me. Things are getting overwhelming. Now, there are some things in life that, look at how washed out this is, in which it is good to be overwhelmed. For example, it's great to be overwhelmed with joy. Look at how washed out this is. Of course, they just harvested these sweet potatoes. And I've got too many artifacts here where I just need to get them on film and show you something that was in the wash. It's good to be overwhelmed with admiration, with thankfulness. It's not good to be overwhelmed with hate or disrespect. But I found a lot, and this is what you got to do if you want first feed after 12, 13 inches of rain. I see this, and I have found quite a few more. Pottery. Some pieces we'll take a look at. And I was just getting overwhelmed, so I figured I don't make too many videos now. Looking at it a little closer, it looks like it has the full tip down in there maybe. It's a great look at a piece just the way it is in the wash. Overwhelmed with thankfulness, just out here praying for our nation, for the freedom of my sons. So important. So I've been pulling these up. A lot of these I haven't even washed. Look at, they can be hidden like this thing. Just missing a tip on this Guilford Yuma. Then a couple quartz bases. They make points like that around here. They made them around here, Site 4. Then it just keeps getting a little better. All little dart points, no bow arrowheads here, none. These are all for the atlatl. They were for the atlatl. Look at these two pieces. This is, my hands are red, but this is pink quartz, Laurel Mountain. Here's another piece. It's dried off by now. So overwhelmed. I try to stay overwhelmed with Thanksgiving because there's a lot of great things to be thankful about. There's a lot of things to be pissed off about, and I don't use that word often. Some of you out there who happen to be in love with this country understand what I'm talking about. I won't get into it too much. It's a nice basic arrowhead here again. It was commissioned with the atlatl. Some pottery. It's nice, isn't it? Not a thing in the world wrong with that. Just a group of powerful artifacts. In the pottery, I don't even blink at it. I mean, can you see the etching in this pottery? Done by them. I can get the right light. There's some etching here, and that's probably from somebody's fingernail or a stick. I haven't even cleaned this pottery across the top rim. Super pottery we find here, and then some other great stuff backing it up. Got to collect it dirty as can be. I'm not even trying to clean that off yet. Just a good look at some of the artifacts here today. Site 4, Eastern Central North Carolina. Hope you find out there.